Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of activating your Amaysim SIM card to get your service up and running quickly. Just follow these easy steps to ensure a smooth activation process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary information at hand. You'll need your Amaysim SIM card, a compatible phone, and any required identification details. Step 2. Insert your SIM card. Take your Amaysim SIM card out of its packaging. Locate the SIM card slot on your phone, which is usually found under the back cover or on the side. Insert the SIM card carefully, ensuring it fits snugly into the slot. Step 3. Turn on your phone. Once your SIM card is inserted, power on your phone. Wait a few moments for the device to recognize the new SIM card. Step 4. Visit the Amaysim activation website. Using a web browser, navigate to the official Amaysim activation page. This page is where you will start the activation process. Step 5. Enter your details. On the activation page, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in the required fields, including your mobile number, if you're porting your old number, or your new Amaysim phone number. Also, input any identification details as requested. Step 6. Confirm your activation. After entering your details, proceed to confirm your activation. Review the information you provided to ensure it's accurate. Once you're ready, click on the Activate button. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. You will receive a confirmation message once your SIM card has been successfully activated. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Step 8. Test your service. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, make a call or send a text message. If you can connect, congratulations, your Amaysim service is now active. Thank you for following along with this activation guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video.